Hello, this locomotive has been set up with or upgraded with a Zimo MS950 decoder, and it has been configured to work both in DCC or DC specifically. I'm going to go over the DC function or DCC functions with you briefly. So of course, as standard with most Zimo decoders, we turn on the sound using F8, and then that just allows the chuff. It otherwise is very quiet. So there's the reverse. There's your chuff. And generator kicks on. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlight. As the headlights come on, the dynamo spools up, and then the headlights get a little bit brighter as they come on. Go ahead and turn on the cab light, which is standard F5. It takes it a second to come on also. There it goes. And then F6 to turn on the smoke. So just basic smoke. It doesn't pulse or anything like that. It may be a little bit low on fluid at the moment. I can add a little bit here real quick. Oh, it's starting to smoke now. Let's add a little bit more fluid. There you go. And then the normal sounds it has. So it has your bell for F1. F2 is the short or the highway crossing whistle. F3 is your long whistle. F4 is a short whistle. F5 is the cab light. F6 is the smoke. Then you have F7, which opens the drains on the cylinders to let the excess water out. Then you have F8 turns on and off the sounds. F9 is corner squealing, and that only works with movement. There it goes. It ran over the track magnet, so it sounded the bell. So we'll go ahead and turn F9 off. Then there's F10, which is shoveling the coal. F11 is the injector. F12 would be for uncoupling. If there was a servo connected to the coupler, it does its coupler dance. F13 closes the coupler. F14 is the safety valve. F15 is a slightly different sound set, as if it's unloaded. And it actually maneuvers a little differently with F15. And then F16 is a mute. F17 is your all aboard. And F19 is a yeah, F18 is the injector, water injector. F18 is a water pump or air pump, and F20 is another, filling the water tank. You have a couple of other things. You have some volume controls way down at F26, 27, and 28, and a different type of whistle based off of its direction. So that is in DCC. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over to DC at the moment. And let it go. There we go. Its sound ran out. The capacitors ran out, so it doesn't make any sound. I'm going to go ahead and use my analog controller now. Now, in the analog mode or DC mode, I have all the lights come on that need to come on. The smoke is always on in DC mode. And let's see what else it does here. So with DC, using digital decoders, excuse me, it takes a minute or two to get it or you have to turn the power up quite a ways. Oh, now the sound is starting up. And it'll take, the lights have just come on. And I'll move it backwards. I didn't give it enough time to power up all the way. Or charge the capacitors. And there's the smoke. You have pretty good control over it. If you let it sit for a while and idle, you can stop it and, it lost it. Not quite enough voltage on the track. So you can let it sit there and make noise in analog mode and smoke. So if I move it forward, now I'm going to drive it over both magnets at a very slow speed. You get the bell. And it'll play the long whistle once it gets over the next magnet. And then we can speed it up. Switch. Oh, I slowed it down too much. So there you have it. It's upgraded with a Zimo MS950 series decoder, a digital decoder. It operates in both DCC and DC, or analog DC. I installed the reed switches in the gearbox so that it picks up and actuates the bell and whistle. And thank you for watching. Hope you have your engine upgraded by us.